Oh, 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 ooh. From the heart of learning, a new light arises. American Open University, where tomorrow is born. In the fires of knowledge, in the winds of change, we forge the future. No dream is forlorn. Where jobs yet alone await the skilled and the bold, we rise with the courage the future demands. With technology's promise and humanity's soul, we build a new world with open hands. Open global opportunities, American Open University, we lead the way. Educate, develop, grow, empower, agents of change for a brand new day. Our many voices in a chorus, strong in research and partnership, we belong. For the continent, for the world we sing, a global university, let freedom ring. Hybrid halls of learning, both near and afar, with digital mastery and wisdom's bright star. We master the tools that will carry the light, reflect the change makers are ready to serve in matinee business and tech's endless art.